Are you craving crispy pakoras without the oil? These spicy air fryer chicken pakoras are golden, crunchy, and guilt-free. Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors of Home with Rash. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Now today's recipe is extra special. My son asked me to reinvent his favorite chicken onion pakoras, make them lighter and healthier. At first I thought pan frying, but still uses quite a bit of oil. Then it hit me, why not air fry? Air frying makes food deliciously crispy and golden. So here it is, my air fried spicy chicken onion fritters. All the flavor and crunch, none of the grease. Alright, let's jump right in. We'll start with our spice mix. In a small pan on low heat, toast together half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 1-inch cinnamon stick. Toast gently until fragrant. Let them cool and then blitz in a coffee grinder into a coarse spice mix, just like this. Then set aside to use later. Next, add 1/2 cup of besan or gram flour to a medium hot pan. Toast the flour for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to turn slightly golden and gives off that lovely nutty aroma. Here's what you're looking for. Set aside to cool. Slice 1 white onion and place it in a strainer over a bowl. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt on top and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps draw out the moisture. After that, squeeze out all the excess water. Trust me, this step is crucial. Removing the onion water makes your fritters crispy, not soggy. To a large mixing bowl, add 3 to 4 ground chicken thighs, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of the spice mix we made earlier, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 chopped green chillies, adjust this to your taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chicken curry masala. Add back the drained onions. Now add the roasted besan or gram flour. Add 1/4 cup of rice flour. This is my secret to getting that perfect crispy texture. Add 2 tablespoons of semolina and 1/4 cup of chopped coriander. Mix everything well until it comes together into a soft, moldable mixture. If the mixture holds together when you form a ball like this, then you're good to go. Preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. While it heats, scoop a spoonful of the mixture, roll it in your palms and flatten it slightly like mini patties. Once preheated, lightly spray your basket with oil. I love using avocado oil spray. It's light and healthy, but choose any oil you prefer. Arrange 5 to 6 fritters in a single layer. Spray the tops lightly. Air fry for 10 minutes, then flip them and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove your fritters, plate them up, and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Oh, and click on the videos linked on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!